Okay, so now, just to kind of recap, we've purchased the domain from Namecheap, we've pointed it to Hostgator, to our name servers, and so now we're getting ready to kind of get this site going live, and it's very simple. So first you want to do is just go down here. We've already did an add-on domain, and it was very simple. All you really need to do is type in the domain name right here. Again, for us it was $mall.org. It automatically populates these two things. Don't even change those. They're fine how they are. And make up your own password, whatever it's going to be. Type it twice and add domain. We've already added it, so it'll show up down here once it adds it. Okay, so now that it's added and ready to go, we're going to head back to home. And we want to make sure that we can kind of receive some emails for this. You can create any number of emails. So go to this email accounts. It's going to come up, and this is where you can kind of dictate where all the mail is going to go to. And so you see that we've created a few different things. We have, for different sites, we have like our Puriskin brand, we have this media, that's for all our social media, orders at Puriskin, payroll at Puriskin, just any number of things that we want to put on here, like support or customer service. Basically, we just want to make sure that wherever the mail goes, we know what the mail is going to be about once it gets there. And we can always add it to these mail accounts too, or to Outlook or something like that, so it goes there directly. And that's even easier, so perfect. So we've already created this support at $mall.org. If you want to make another one just for fun, then we could go ahead and type in whatever you want to with that. So how we did this support, we just typed in support, and we selected our proper domain, $mall.org. You'll see stuff like this where it's kind of like this $mall.acnenomorebookraeviews.com. Like something huge, you're not going to want that at all. So make sure it's your short, whatever it is your site's going to be called. So it's there, you create your password. So whatever it would be that you would log into to see your mail, and you create an account. Now this one's already been created, and so that's all it's going to change, honestly. Down the line, I'll show you how you can add that to your mail account or to your Outlook, whatever is going to be helpful to you. Okay, so now that we have an email in place that we can use, what we also need to do is make sure that we add WordPress. All of our sites run on WordPress because it's just so easy. And not only that, but the website builder that you guys are going to use is going to be based off of WordPress. We're going to use a theme for it. So what we're going to do is come down here to the software services. We're going to click on this quick install right here. It's going to come up in this, excuse me, in this blog software towards the top. Click on WordPress. Continue. All right, and then we pick the website. If it's your first one, it'll be easy to find. Here's our $mall.org that we're going to be using for a list building venture. So with this, we just kind of create everything. We've just created an email, so I'm just going to use that for support at $mall.org. We can always change that in the future. The blog title, you can put whatever you want, it doesn't really matter at all. We can even change that later too. But for now, I'm just going to put something like premium products. There we go. Good, so premium products under $5. And then this admin user doesn't really matter. I'm just going to put my name for now, but I'll probably change that so no one can access it. But whatever you want to put. Whatever you do, it's kind of popular to put something like admin or something like that. Don't put that just because a lot of hackers out there know that it's very easy to kind of pinpoint what people's things are going to be. So if you want, you can do something like admin 12, I don't know, like your birthday or something, 13186. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to put my name for now, though. Just keep it simple. first name in here. What I like to do on my sites is have kind of like a pen name or something like that. When I was working at a law firm, they had something similar to it. Beth seemed to be a very popular name that people responded well to. So anytime that I write, it's going to be from a Beth Swan, basically. I don't know why I chose a girl, but I don't know, they're so much more appealing, I guess. So after we have all that in here, you're going to want to go ahead and launch it this way. One quick note, let's just keep it simple. Let's just do that. So install now. You can see it's going to start loading till it's all the way to 100%. And once it's there, you are good to go. Congratulations, it's ready. Here's our password it gives us for now. We want to change that once we get there. So what you want to do is right-click, new tab. So it comes right up here. I want to copy and paste this password right here. You can even leave the password at this if you want to. Macs have this cool thing where you can kind of type in, like do this, type it all in. Would you like to save this password? Yes. Then we can always come back to it. So now you see that this connect to WordPress is all ready to go. So from here, everything is really quite simple. What we're going to do next is, in the next video anyway, we're going to go ahead and, upload our website, our theme for Profit Builder. So what we're going to do from here is launch our theme in Profit Builder, and we're going to go ahead and design our website all around this WordPress. It is so powerful. You're just going to love how easy it is for you to make a really dominant site with this. So if you have any questions about what we did so far, feel free to get back with me either through Facebook or my email, or just go ahead and give me a call on Skype or something like that. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good one. Bye.